Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, it's Friday. Yes, it's Friday. We've made it, guys, to the end of the week. And guys, what a week it's been. It's been so profitable. And yesterday was a fantastically profitable day. So I hope you've been, using some of the trade idea, guys, and making profits for yourself. Guys, before we start today, I am being told to keep reminding you of what is above my head. Yeah, can you see this little red caption box? So we have a live session on Wednesday, guys. Yeah, we'll do the analysis as usual. But you can also ask me a lot of questions about trading, guys. All right, so get your thinking caps on. Yeah, so like I say, guys, today is Friday the 19th of August. And as always, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, which were magnificent, and we're also going to look at today's potential trades and today's news. So let's get started. So yesterday's recap, guys, we had two potential trades. The first one was this, okay? It was the pound against the Swiss franc. And as you can see, guys, it was clearly in a downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, yeah, lower highs, lower lows. And then we had this area here as a potential for a new lower high. And sure enough, off of this candle, we were just trying to short the market from one of our grey zones. And look how quickly this moved. Yeah. It come down and hit our higher time frame target pretty quickly, really, considering that had to move, 100 pips or so. All right, so yeah, so we're looking for shorts, and the direction was great, and things happened pretty quickly, guys, yesterday. But let's look at H1 to see how we got in this trade. And yeah, as you can see, guys, price did come storming up. Okay, so it didn't, in the first grey zone we didn't get a reaction, but in the second grey zone we got this candle form, yeah, which tells me sellers are in control, guys. Admittedly, the candle before it is also very bullish, but the candle that comes back down is just as bullish as the candle before it. So I was happy to enter on this candle. I entered at the close. I didn't get a retrace. Normally I'll wait for a bit of a retrace, but I was eager to get into this pair. So I put my, I entered the trade here. I put my stop above here, okay? And then my first target were these last H1 lows. Okay, so then I closed 80% of the trade here. And I got almost a risk to reward of 1:2. Okay, so I'm already a very happy trader. But then I let my 20% run. Yeah, so I closed 80% here, and then I let 20% down to our higher time frame target. Okay, and then closed 20%, the remaining 20% here. So an all-round very happy trader with this pair, guys. Yeah, got a good risk to reward on the initial 80% and another good amount of profit on the remaining 20%. Guys, I hope you took this pair. It was a lovely pair to trade yesterday. So yeah, that was the first successful trade from yesterday. Let me know how you traded it. The second one, guys, was this. This was the pound against the Canadian dollar. So both of them were pound weakness. Yeah. And again, guys, we were looking to short this pair, and let me explain why. Okay, so let me zoom here, that'll do. So price was in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, didn't create a lower low, and then when this high was taken out, yeah, for me, we were in an uptrend. Okay, this area here was the important area that we were looking at. Okay, because price came down, bounced off this once, bounced off it again, but then eventually it come down, and then when this red candle formed, it broke these lows. Okay, so for me, we then had lower lows. So since that candle, I've been looking for shorts, and all of these wicks here, yeah, were just telling me there was selling pressure. Yeah, price kept being rejected and coming back down. Okay, so we've been shorting this most of the week, and eventually yesterday, as you can see, boom, yeah, it came down very aggressively eventually. Okay guys, so again, yeah, direction was good, trade was good, but let's look at the H1 to see if we could get in. And we could, yeah, so for me, the entry candle here, and I got in this pair as well, guys. I wouldn't normally double up, you know, I'm basically, both of the trades are pound weakness. Yeah, so both of them are, you know, highly correlated, but I got into this pair as well, guys. I just felt they were coming down. So, I was also in this trade from the other day, from this candle, which you remember. But anyway, that was yesterday, a few days ago. So the candle that we were interested in from yesterday, so by the time I start trading, is around here, around this. And because of this candle, guys, I thought, oh no, we've missed the move. Yeah, I thought, yeah, maybe it won't retrace, it's off to the races. But thankfully, it did come back up, and it just made a slight touch here on this grey zone. Okay, I didn't enter on this green wick. I actually entered on this candle here. Okay, so once this red bullish candle formed, I knew sellers had taken control. I did get a slight retrace for this one. So I entered the trade around here. I actually put my stop above this swing high here. Okay, and then I took 80% of the trade, first of all, down to this blue line, where the risk to reward was a little bit over 1:1, closed 80%, and then left a 20% to run down to this blue line. And again, a very good, fantastic, happy trader trade. Yeah, again, great profits on this pair, guys. Okay, so yeah, both pairs from yesterday made great profits. I hope you managed to get in on one, if not both of the pairs. And let me know, guys, leave a comment. Let me know which pairs you got in on. Okay, guys, so that's the recap. Great day. Let's take a look at today's potential trades now. Guys, it's been a fantastic week, and yesterday was a fantastic trading day. Yeah, so I hope you've been following some of the trade ideas this week. Guys, I've been told to keep reminding you of the thing above my head. So we're doing lives on this coming Wednesday. Yeah, so we'll still look at the analysis. We'll look at the charts. But will also be an opportunity for you to ask me as many questions as you like about trading. Might even get some of you on, and we could speak with you on the live. All right, guys. So yeah, please come and join us for that. Yesterday, guys, like I say, was a wonderful day. If you enjoyed the recap and the trades from yesterday, then please come and join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button, guys. Also, smash the like button. Thank you very much. Enough of all that. Let's look at the trades. So today is Friday, the 19th of August, and we got 3 potential trades, and it is US dollar strength. Okay, the US dollar is back. So the first one is this. This is the pound against the US dollar. Remember, guys, we've been having this huge weekly, daily battle between the dollar pairs. And eventually the weekly chart has won, yeah, because now the day chart is now in a downtrend as well. Okay, so yeah, price was in a downtrend. Yeah, we had lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, but then price broke out of this zone with these last highs here. As soon as these last highs here were broken, price for me was in a downtrend. An uptrend. Yeah, and then it come back down, no no surprise, it tested this level, yeah, and then come back up, okay, tested this level again, okay, but eventually, well, yesterday, it came back down and broke with this candle here, okay. So this candle here has broken this important zone here. All right, so for me, we are now in a downtrend. We have lower lows. The weekly chart has won. Yeah, so we've got lower lows, guys. Let's just zoom in so you can see the candle. Yeah, so this candle here has broken these lows here. Okay, so the idea is just to come from our grey zone, okay, and then take it back down to this blue line here, guys. All right, guys, when I plot this blue line on this chart, sometimes I look at the weekly chart, okay, and this is a weekly target, to be honest with you. Okay, so as you can see, the last low on the weekly is here. Yeah, I don't want to sell into this wick. All right, so it's a weekly target. Okay, if we go back to the day chart, yeah, I mean, you know, arguably, if it was a daily target, it could be down to here. Okay, anyway, let's look at H1 for our execution, our criteria. So I've got this grey zone, guys, and in an ideal world, yeah, price will come up to this grey zone, which will give us excellent value. Yeah, we will get a bearish candlestick pattern form. We enter, we take price back down to these lows here, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, so yeah, that could happen. Let's hope it does. If that doesn't happen, guys, because of the daily candle is so bearish, yeah, what we could do, and it's not too aggressive, it's very reasonable. If price maybe just retrace up to here, maybe up to the moving average 20 or this psychological level, and then we get a bearish candlestick pattern form, yeah, then we could still enter that candle. Yeah, come down, close 80% of the trade here, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, so we could trade the first bearish candlestick pattern of the day. Okay, so pound US dollar short. The next one is this. This is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. This is the day chart, and we are looking to buy this pair. Again, let's look at the weekly chart, guys. Yeah, remember we was having this daily downward pressure and this weekly upward pressure. And for me, the weekly pressure has won. And the blue line, as you can see, is a weekly target as well, guys. So let's go back to the day chart. Yeah, we are now in an uptrend, guys. We was in a downtrend. Yeah, we had lower lows, lower highs, didn't create a lower low. Yeah, and then yesterday, okay, this here has been broken. Yeah, with this candle here. Okay, so we now have higher highs. Okay, and we have a bullish candle. So from our grey zone, guys, we just want to potentially take it back up to this last high here. Okay, so that's the idea. That's why we're long in this market. Let's look at H1 for our criteria, our entry. So again, guys, we want price to come down into our grey zone. Yeah, we see a bullish candlestick pattern form this time. We enter the trade. We close 80% at the last H1 high if we get a risk to reward of 1:1. If not, we'll have to let it run a little bit. And then we let 20% run up to our higher time frame target. All right, guys. Again, if price does go off to the races, yeah, we could trade the first bullish candlestick pattern. Yeah, so bear that in mind as well. Right, US dollar Japanese yen long. The third and final trade is Euro US dollar short. Okay. Before I start, I've got to show you this on the weekly chart, guys. This is a trade idea, but one thing you have to be aware of here is we are this wick here. Yeah. So because of this wick, for me, this is all support. Yeah, this area here is all support. If I zoom it out across the screen, yeah, That is all support because of this wick here. Okay, so I am selling into support, which is what I tell you crazy people do. But I'm still willing to take shorts. I still think because price is now in a downtrend. Yeah, we was in a uptrend. Yeah, we had a ranging market, and then price just broke with this candle here. Yeah, this stayed broke. So we had higher highs. We was in a downtrend, but it was actually bouncing off this weekly. This is weekly resistance here. It was support. Okay, and then it's come down, it's become resistance. Okay, but because of this candle here has broken all of these lows, I still think we have a little bit more room to the downside. Okay, so this is actually a day play. Yeah, sort of ignored the weekly chart, but yeah, I still think it's going to come lower. Okay, and our target is here, this 10020. And then if we look on the H1, guys, this is what we're looking for our criteria. So we want price to come back into this grey zone. Okay, we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. We can enter the trade, take price back down to these lows, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. Like with all the US dollar pairs I've shown you today, you could be more aggressive and trade the first bearish candlestick pattern you see. Okay, guys, so yeah, US dollar is back. All right, so US dollar strength today, and we've got the 3 trades. Let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you've enjoyed this daily analysis, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button, also smash the like button. And don't forget about the live we're doing on Wednesday. Right, news for Friday, the 19th of August. It's a light news day today, guys. We've only got 2 pieces of news that we're interested in. So nothing overnight, as you can see. The first 3-star rating we're looking at is this at 7 o'clock. London GMT, we've got retail sales coming out of the UK. So that could affect any pound pair. And then after that, the only other piece of news is this. At 1:30, London GMT, we've got coming out of Canada, we've got retail sales as well. All right, guys, and as you can see, nothing else for the rest of the day. So, guys, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful, stupendous trading day and a marvelous weekend. And I'll catch up with you on Monday, guys. See you later.